No, I get no call and say I am 5 minutes away. I'm not even 5 minutes away to getting ready. Go over on YouTube. I'm need them for. Just don't walk in there.
So you bring it on to me for?
I come to me. Come in, I cut out no, you know. I cut out the
Stop the car for me. It's not an exam.
Your job, I want to go to that place I think. What you see? You see what I want?
Come on, you do that first. Don't put me funny, man.
Yeah, you see, the thing is on me right now. You see? The world is going to cease use.
No.
No, I know. The world is going to not. Me not cut out nothing, you know. If you come in there, you just come in there. That's how we work. Just I talk about the features of the camera. I can put up on chain and record, you know, even know.
Where you get that?
I'm going for people and come.
Eh?
Hey, mama, show peeps them a mango tree. We planted a couple months ago. How they go? Hey, that's all. Oh, December. Look at the tree grow big.
December?
I remember. What you tell me? Hey, last year December. Hey, get a zoom in on it. See? First time. It was about, let me show you, about this shot. And look how it grew to come now. The next 6 now. From last year December to August 2020. From 2019 December to 2020 August. Calculate that. About 8 months. I just remember a mango tree. So I come back the next 2 years time and it'll be a mango. So we can eat something. You know?
Oh,
Well, next 2 years time, tree will be real. Eh? Most likely. You see. 2 years. Okay, about 2022 August. Let's come back and see. December is going to turn 2022. The 2022, man. I confuse the people about 2022. You know, use that, you know. Yeah, but that 22.
That's much, but very easy, you know, because I want to say again, you know.
I'm like math.
Who want to answer myself?
But they can call it different things.
5 equal to.
That's why they say much can be done in many different ways, more than one way.
Maths, English harder. No, see now you
Oh, my man say use 2 numbers to get 10. Use 2 numbers to get 10. So you can use 5 multiplied by 2 to get 10 and 5 and 5 get 10. Maths can do this.
6 and 4 get 10. But we are just 10 it, you get it up.
As long as I get 10, you just make sure you say you use 2 digit, 2 number.
People say maths hard. Not easier English.
Maths is my best subject right now.
Let me see it, Kamau.
For me. For me.
Are you there, pan?
See cameras, you see? You can't see me.
Me see you. I'll flash on.
Why? That
Okay.
And now I get no call and say I am 5 minutes away. I'm not even 5 minutes away to getting ready. waterproof on the camera again.
Want to see what is it?
I want to see waterproof one again.
What is it?
I test one time before.
I don't know what up.
It went up. Yeah, if we go in the water and it was went up.